Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images over your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to add photos to your videos without any hassle, this video is for you. So let's get started. Find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. After choosing the video, now you want to add the photo. Tap onto the overlay button right here. Then again tap onto the add overlay button. Now from here you can choose the photo that you want to add over your video. Just like this. Finally you can see the image has been added over your video. Like this, you can add the image over the video and edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add the image over your video using Clipchamp. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.